Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a classic Bloody Mary, step by step. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 ounces of your favorite vodka, 4 ounces of quality tomato juice, and 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget your key seasonings: Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, and celery salt. Finally, prepare your garnishes like crisp celery, a bright lemon wedge, and a few briny olives for that perfect finish. Now, let's build the delicious flavor base for your Bloody Mary. In a mixing glass filled with ice, combine 1 1/2 ounces of your chosen vodka. Next, pour in 4 ounces of rich tomato juice. To add a vibrant, zesty kick, include 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then, for that signature savory depth, add 1 dash of Worcestershire sauce and 2 dashes of fiery Tabasco. These elements create the perfect foundation. With our base established, it's time to perfect the seasoning. Add a generous pinch of celery salt and a fresh grind of black pepper to your mixture. Now, using a bar spoon, stir all the ingredients thoroughly in the mixing glass for about 20 to 30 seconds. This chills the drink and fully integrates the flavors. Always remember to taste your Bloody Mary and adjust the seasonings, adding more spice or salt as you prefer to achieve your ideal balance. Finally, let's prepare your glass and present your masterpiece. First, rim a tall glass with celery salt for an extra savory and aromatic touch. Simply moisten the rim with a lemon wedge, then dip it into a shallow dish of celery salt. Fill the prepared glass with fresh ice cubes. Carefully strain your perfectly mixed Bloody Mary into the glass. For the classic presentation, garnish with a crisp celery stalk, a bright lemon wedge, and a few skewered green olives. Enjoy your homemade Bloody Mary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.